Hello everyone, welcome to GAMS SQL Server DBA tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to rename a database in SQL Server. So, we will be using two ways to rename a database in SQL Server using SQL Server Management Studio graphic user interface GUI version, and second is using T-SQL Script. So, open your SQL Server Management Studio. As per your requirement, you can rename your database. Just go to the DVDRentalNew database, right click on that, select as per your requirement database, select on that, and there is your option is rename. So click on the rename option. So just I'm going to change the rename option is equal to 2 then enter. So database is renamed now. So just refresh and see. So this is the DVD rental new 2, and again I'm going to revert back. So DVD rental and just remove 2, and this is rename the database. So database is renamed now. And first, using the SQL Server Management Studio is completed. Next I'm going to the using the TSQL script. So this is my TSQL script. Let me go through that. Open new and let me run that. So DVD rental database I'm just modifying that name to 2. So execute. The database name DVD rental 2 has been set. Right click on that, refresh. So see, the database DVD rental database is renamed. So this is the way to using the T-SQL. I'm just going to revert back again. So now database name is DVD rental has been set. So go into your database, just refresh. Yeah, now this is revert back. So in this video, we'll learn how to rename a database in SQL Server using two steps, two way. One is using SQL Server Management Studio, and second is using T-SQL Script. Thank you for watching.